Thank you for watching another episode. Today we're looking at strut bars, which is essentially an engine brace that expands or extends from one side of the engine bay to the other. Now, just last week we had to remove the rear spark plugs because we were replacing them, and the strut bar was just in the way. So if you're doing some maintenance or repairing your vehicle, you're not sure if it's going to be incredibly difficult to remove it. They're typically hollow, they're not solid, so it's not incredibly heavy. But if you're not sure on the steps, I'm just going to tie in what we did last week when we did the spark plugs, so at least it gives you a pretty good idea if you're looking to do this repair. Now, to get the cylinders 1, 2, and 3, we have to remove the strut bar, and to remove the strut bar, we have some plastic tabs here again. So right here is a tab. Pull that back. Now what I'm going to do very quickly on the back of the bar is a 10mm bolt. Just see where we are, the passenger side, and then on the driver's side, another guy right there. Okay. Okay, now these bolts are in fact not 13 but 12mm. Now these bolts can be relatively tight. If you have a tough time removing them, what you can do is grab yourself another socket, place it over the end of the ratchet, and have an extension. So this gives you a lot more leverage to break these loose. Looks like I did miss one 10mm bolt right there. Now this has been on here for a number of years. Just trying to break it up here. Now it's still a little bit tight. I'm just taking a flathead. This is the strut mount on top. I don't want to scratch anything. Make sure everything is clear. Okay. When you're ready to reinstall the strut bars, just the reverse steps. Just make sure you give all of the bolts really a good tightening. They're really around 15-20 foot-pounds from the factory, which means it's really not incredibly tight. You know, they're not strut mounts, for example, but just give it a good tug and you'll be in good shape. What made a difference was that flathead screwdriver. The mallet didn't do that much, but the screwdriver just was able to lift it off its mount, and then it was just easy just to finagle it right off of the vehicle. So I hope this gives you a pretty good idea if you're looking to get this done. Please like, subscribe. If you do have an Acura TL, we have a number of videos coming for this vehicle, so just keep an eye out for that, and we'll see you next time.